Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I feel so much honored to be invited by the Catholic Diocese of Mutare through the Youth Ministry to be part of this fundraising dinner. The dinner dance is meant to raise funds for your pilgrimage to Lisbon, Portugal, for the World Youth Day celebrations with the Pontiff, His Excellency Pope Francis. This year, Zimbabwe will be holding harmonized elections. May I bring to your attention, especially our young people here present, and in the rest of the country, will not be used by some misguided politicians to engage in violence. For the political mileage of unscrupulous politicians, we boldly together must say no, no, no to political violence. We must all internalize, including those who have left home. Peace says, peace begins with me. Peace begins with you. And peace begins with all of us. I say, I repeat, don't be used. Pray for your country. Wait for your country. And above all, love your country.